If you're building a personal brand online and you want to make more than $10,000 a month, then this video is for you, my friends, since I'm recording these videos to show you exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 10K a month and just beyond, okay? I'm not going to tell you like in a few days you're going to be a millionaire or doing 5 figures, right? But I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to go really from you have nothing, no money, no audience, no idea even, right? To really do 10K a month, whatever it takes and how long it takes, okay? It is fine. And for me right now, okay, I mean, my name is Anthony, right? And I've been, for the past 9 years, I'm 29 right now, for the past 9 years, I've built a dozen of companies and projects, like really much, failing dramatically at most of them and putting myself in tremendous amount of debts by the age of 21 only. And that brought me down a little bit, but in the end, I've learned crazy lessons, and it forces me actually to do stuff that I wouldn't be able, to just master today, to have mastered today, like sales, communication, copywriting, marketing, and all that stuff, which actually makes me valuable in today's world in the market. Yeah. Because that's the number one thing. What is the value that you are bringing to the table? If you're super young and you have no freaking experience, what kind of value are you actually bringing to the table? Maybe you can really do so, but then do not pretend to be like a 6-figure entrepreneur and doing like crazy shit and all if you are not, okay? Just be completely real and do not feel the need to actually pretend or to lie about your situation. Usually people absolutely love authenticity and they love that you can really show what is real, what is going on for yourself, your failures, your doubts, and your confidence as well, and your successes and all. So, yeah. And I'm recording these videos right now only to show you what it takes to do so, because it's been for the past, it's been 3 months and a half since I'm in this process. I decided 3 months and a half to be really freaking locked in, okay? For the next 6 to 12 months, I said I'm going to make 10K a month, 20K a month actually is really my goal. And until I do so, I will not do anything else, okay? I will not create 3 businesses at the same time. I will not even take a job at the same time. I will probably not have revenues or anything in between, but it's fine. As long as I can really focus and put all of my attention and time into what I'm building right now, it's the best, okay? And you know what? At the beginning, I didn't have any clue of what to do. Like, really freaking not. And I was not even on social media, and I didn't have anything, okay? And today, I'm working with clients. And today, I've got some real prospects and some real stuff going on for myself. I've got a brand on X right now. I've got a newsletter going, and I've got this YouTube channel. Today is day 54, actually. So we have recorded 53 videos previously. And today the situation hasn't been better than it has been previously. Because right now I really have closed some clients and I'm working with to get also for them, some results. And my business at the moment is I help consultants and creators that have high ticket offers to just sell their offers through X, and I handle all of the outreach, everything to get them some sales. And it works. It really works. The moment I apply my strategy, my system, okay, the moment I get like calls every single day for my own brand and for clients that I have right now. And then I work on commission basis and it just works, okay? So I'm so happy about that. I'm so happy, that I made a decision to just build my personal brand first, because I built on X most of the time. I don't have like a crazy followers audience, right? But it's still something because I have people engaging with me. I have created amazing connection through that, met really talented people, and I'm very happy about that, because then I can create a great team of people that have real skills in the real world. And anyway, surroundings, connections, it's all that matter, okay? You may be creating a fantastic business, but if you have nobody to work with, and as partner, team members, or just friends, and family members that really respect you and love you, if you don't have all of that, then what's the meaning of life even, okay? Because people are the real reason why you are doing things, right? It's to protect your family, it's to take care of your children later on, and all that stuff. So the real meaning is not that you want to get money. The real meaning is you want to take care of the people that you love, and you want to really build something, a generational path. So that's what you want, and that's what I'm doing right now as well, because building for myself only, for my own sake, doesn't bring meaning for me, and doesn't actually motivate me. And yeah. So 3 months and a half, I decided to build my brand on X, and I recommend you to do so if you are selling high tickets or anything. If you're building a SaaS, for example, there's a huge community and all that stuff. Anyway, if you're professional, just go on X, and LinkedIn is obviously a well-known platform for that, which is booming nowadays. It's like going really crazy, like real engagement. That's what I want to say. So I do recommend that you build a personal brand and that you take this brand seriously. Even if you do not know exactly what you're going to do and which topic that you're going to talk about, just talk about some things that actually cross your mind. And the real thing is, the moment you start to be in action, the moment you start to be in motion, the moment you get some ideas, okay? So right now, day 54, I've got some clients to work with, 5 clients to actually work with. I cannot handle more, so I'm just restricting that. I actually got a call with another potential client, like in 15 minutes actually, but we'll see. Anyway, because I don't know if I can handle that, but it's fine. And actually the thing which is pretty surprising is I'm working with a guy called Hans, and Hans got a 6.5K following audience on X, so he's got good engagement, a good audience, a good number, and so he's got some personal brand. And I'm working with him to get him some sales and to make sure that his business is actually taking off. So this is what I was telling you. It's working fucking well, like really well. Every single day we've got a call. Today at 1 p.m. we've got a call to sell his offer, his 5K offer, and we have calls like every single day. And it just took us like, the 3rd day, I would say, or the 4th day, we already had someone booking a call, okay? From going to, he doesn't know anything about what to sell, actually. He doesn't know which people to target. We defined that. We defined his ICP, ideal customer profile. We changed a little bit his branding. We changed a little bit of stuff. We find lead magnets, created offers. We did a lot of stuff in a matter of like half a week. But at the end, we implemented, the DM system that I am working with. My strategy, and it just works, okay? We have worked on 6 calls already, and it hasn't been 10 days. So it's very good, especially when you're selling high ticket offers. If you're selling like stuff very easy to sell, like less than $1,000, then you can get a crazy number of calls, even more, like, because it's super easy and people just say yes super easy. Because if you're targeting, for example, people from Europe or from the US or from wealthy countries actually, then $1,000 is not so much if you really are bringing some value on the table that they actually need. So anyway, I'm just so happy about that, and because I take like 50% commission. And actually, the thing I wanted to say is that sometimes you do not know exactly what to post, to create, to do as a business and all, but you just need to keep going, and at some point you will figure this out. And for me right now, things are sometimes a little bit strange, because with this guy, I actually are gonna partner with the guy. Okay, I'm gonna partner with him on the whole business, because there's a real potential, there's a real thing right now. And yeah, so we are creating actually an agency. And we are creating an agency to help e-com service providers to just sell their high-ticket offers, their services, and it's just working very well for him. So that's pretty good. And so we're building this up to 100K a month. So that's the goal, and that's the system that we are building, and we're gonna get there like very soon. My project, but so it's pretty damn cool. So say yes to opportunities that actually presents themselves to you. The guy just said that since I was really smart and really smart about what I do and the way I sell, which was for him like very impressive. I'm not just making things up. I'm just saying that the experience I've got previously brought me to this very instant, okay, to make sure that I master the skills of sales and communication and persuasion and copywriting and all that stuff, and knowing what works and what doesn't. Taste also, you know, you need to have it. I mean, to know what works and what doesn't. Okay, you need to develop your taste abilities. It's such a great skill, and so he said that since I'm like super good at sales, and he sees that we are working like crazy great, he just wants me, you know, to just partner with him and to go full time with him. I'm not saying that I'm not going to do that exactly, because I still got some clients to deliver services to, and I've got my personal brand as well. But we'll see how it goes. And right now, the main thing will be to just recruit a lot of people. The moment that we make actually money, the moment that we are profitable, we can definitely hire people full time and just do multiply, you know, the impact we already have. But that's very exciting. So that means business, that means busy. I'm still working like 12, 14, maybe not 14 hours. This week I haven't, but maybe 10, 12 minimum. But yeah, this is what it takes, okay? And that's what I wanted to say to you is, for example, 3 months and a half ago, I decided to really cut every distraction, okay? I'm meaning business right here. Like really, I've got, to be honest, porn, masturbation, I've got YouTube. I watch 30 minutes of podcast every single day, like maximum. Sometimes I don't even like, listen to some podcasts and all. I'm just so infused into my work that I cannot. So no motivational videos, no YouTube content to just scroll and to just be doing nothing but to actually lose my time. So no Netflix. I've got Netflix, Prime, YouTube Premium. I've got everything, okay? I don't have social media except if they are working on my favor for my business, all right? And that's right. And I've cut every distraction. Like I don't watch any sports. I used to love watching some specific sports like crazy much. And I said, no, I'm not going to watch this sport again until I get to more than 10K a month, right? And so 3 months and a half, I said I'm going to lock in really good. And that's what I did. And that's what I do. And it started to produce fucking great results. And I'm super freaking happy. And let me tell you, for the past 3 months, doubts really started to creep in. And that's fine. Because at least I've got consistency and I've kept going. And I know that right now it's going to work. And as soon as I make an extra 2K, 2.5K, then I'm moving to Da Nang, actually, in Vietnam, you know. So I'm leaving France because I'm in France at the moment. I'm French, by the way. So, and I'm moving to Southeast Asia. I really this is my life project, and this is what I want to do. I want to really explore a little bit of more countries and to travel and to be a nomad, a digital nomad, like full time. So that's cool. If you want to follow the journey, if you want to follow anything, please do reach out in the comments, like, follow, subscribe, do whatever you wish to do. And yeah, on to the next one. Okay. If you have been inspired or you have got some value in it, yeah, reach out to me in the comments. I would really appreciate that. Okay. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Take care.